Okay, last one. Practice problem 5, step 1. There's no parentheses, so we are combining like terms. 4 and 2 is 6y, bring down the negative 8. We also have like terms here. Negative 2 and positive 12 make 10. Now we have a two-step equation. I don't have variables on both sides, so I'm down here. Adding 8, because I want that 6y to be by itself. Now I'm on my last step. I'm going to isolate by dividing to get y equals 3. On the next slide, my first step is to combine like terms. Period. All right, now let's check it. We got, I think it was 3. I keep forgetting to check. So you have to set it up yourself. All these y's you're going to replace with a times 3. So 2 times 3 minus 8 plus 4 times 3 equals, I'm going to go ahead and combine these, 10. 6 minus 8 plus 12 equals 10. I'm going to add my positives together to get 18 minus 8 equals 10. 10 equals 10. Our answer was correct. You are ready for your exit ticket.